So we've just sailed out of Dover Harbour. You can see the ferries over there. Rather weird to be coming out here in our sailing boat when we've done this so often in a ferry. The wind has died down, but we get a nice view of the White Cliffs of Dover on our way up to Ramsgate this morning. Short run, 15 miles. So we left at 10, should be in there for lunch. We left Ramsgate this morning and our passage will take us to Harwich. I'm crossing the Thames Estuary at present, and all those windmills there are part of the so-called London Array. We've got a strong current taking us up this Black Deep, as it's called. Because we've got the wind on our nose, and not much of it either, 6 knots, so the main's not really doing much, you can see that. As for Leontine, she's just having a nice little shut-eye in the sun, all alive and happy and well. I think in the distance there we can see the north side of the estuary, so presumably over there somewhere will be the entrance to Harwich. Well, I hope so, otherwise I should never be allowed to navigate again. Because I will have got it all wrong. It's 9 in the morning here in Lowestoft. We're just at the fuel dock, having filled up the tanks, ready for our trip back to Holland, which we're not going to do from Lowestoft because we're first going for a quick trip down to Southwold. We've got the current with us, and in Southwold Max will be joining us. And poor old Max had a real shock this morning. He arrived at Schiphol to see that his flight had been cancelled, but it seemed that there was more of a glitch in the software saying it was cancelled than it actually having been cancelled. So in fact he has caught the flight, so we better get a move on and see who gets to Southwold faster, Max from Enschede or us from Lowestoft. So we're having a bit of a bumpy ride now down to Southwold. Good breeze, but we've got that well-known wind against tide situation. That's a bit wet. You can see Southwold over there in the distance. So this completes our trip round Britain. This is where we arrived with Max, Reint, Jan and myself on the 28th of April 2018. And tomorrow, the 27th of September 2018, Max, Leontine and I will leave here and sail back to IJmuiden. It's all done and dusted. What a fantastic trip. And the lovely thing is working out what to do the next time, because we can't leave it at this. Got to keep on sailing. So the show wouldn't be complete, of course, without arriving back in Holland. And here we are, safely moored at a temporary mooring for the rest of the season in Malmaison. Look at those keeper flags, all ruffled up at the end, a bit tattered. With a grand total of more than €3,800 for that children's cancer research, which makes it all in all a great success.